Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a deep connection to the stars? Do you sometimes wonder if there's more to the universe than meets the eye? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, you're not alone. Many people feel drawn to the cosmos, sensing that it holds secrets waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll explore how you can learn to speak the language of the cosmos and tap into its ancient wisdom. The universe communicates with us constantly, sending signals and messages through the stars, planets, and cosmic events. Learning to understand this universal language can open up new dimensions in your life, helping you gain insights, find direction, and feel more connected to the world around you. But how do we begin to decipher this cosmic code? Let's start by discussing the universal language that the cosmos uses to communicate with us. This language isn't made up of words or symbols like our earthly languages. Instead, it's a complex system of energy patterns, celestial movements, and cosmic rhythms. The cosmos speaks to us through the positions of stars and planets, the cycles of the moon, and even the subtle energies that permeate the universe. Understanding this language matters because it can provide us with valuable guidance in our lives. By tuning into the cosmic rhythms, we can make better decisions, understand ourselves more deeply, and find our place in the grand scheme of things. The language of the cosmos isn't just about predicting the future or understanding astrological signs. It's about connecting with the fundamental forces that shape our universe and our lives. To begin speaking the language of the cosmos, we need to learn how to tune in to its rhythms. This starts with becoming more aware of the celestial cycles that influence our daily lives. The most obvious of these is the cycle of day and night, which is caused by the Earth's rotation. But there are many other cycles at play, such as the phases of the moon, the changing seasons, and the movements of planets in our solar system. You can start tuning into these rhythms by simply paying more attention to them. Notice how the moon changes shape over the course of a month. Observe how the position of the sun in the sky shifts throughout the year. These observations might seem simple, but they're the first steps in aligning yourself with cosmic rhythms. As you become more attuned to these cycles, you might start to notice their impact on your life. Many people find that their energy levels and moods are affected by the phases of the moon, for example. Others notice that they feel more creative or introspective at certain times of the year. By paying attention to these patterns, you can start to work with them rather than against them. Next, let's talk about decoding celestial symbols. The night sky is full of patterns and configurations that have been recognized and interpreted by cultures around the world for thousands of years. These symbols aren't just pretty shapes in the sky, they're part of the cosmic language, carrying messages and meanings. One of the most well-known celestial symbols is the zodiac, a band of constellations that appears to circle the Earth. Each zodiac sign has its own set of characteristics and associations, but there are many other patterns to look out for as well. The Big Dipper, for example, has been used as a navigation tool for centuries. The Pleiades, a cluster of stars also known as the Seven Sisters, has played a role in the myths and legends of cultures around the world. Learning to recognize these patterns is an important part of understanding the language of the cosmos. But it's not just about memorizing constellations. It's about developing a deeper awareness of the sky and learning to see the connections between celestial events and earthly occurrences. This brings us to the art of stargazing. Observing the night sky is one of the most direct ways to connect with the cosmos and start learning its language. But effective stargazing takes more than just looking up. It requires patience, practice, and the right techniques. To start, find a dark location away from city lights. Give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness, This can take up to 30 minutes. Use a star chart or a smartphone app to help you identify constellations and planets. Don't rush. Take your time to really observe and absorb the beauty of the night sky. There are also tools that can enhance your stargazing experience. A pair of binoculars can reveal details invisible to the naked eye, such as the craters on the Moon or the moons of Jupiter. A telescope can take you even deeper into space, showing you distant galaxies and nebulae. But remember, you don't need expensive equipment to start connecting with the cosmos. Your own eyes and a curious mind are the most important tools. As you spend more time observing the night sky, you might want to try some cosmic meditation techniques. These practices can help you deepen your connection with the universe and enhance your ability to understand its language. One simple technique is to find a comfortable position outdoors under the night sky. Take deep, slow breaths and focus your attention on a particular star or constellation. As you gaze at the celestial object, imagine a connection forming between you and it. Visualize cosmic energy flowing from the star to you and back again. Another technique is to imagine yourself floating in space, surrounded by stars and galaxies. Feel the vastness of the universe and your place within it. This can help shift your perspective and open you up to cosmic messages. Regular cosmic meditation can bring numerous benefits. It can reduce stress, increase feelings of peace and connectedness, and enhance your intuition. Many people report gaining insights or clarity about their lives during these meditations. Now let's delve into the topic of astrological influences. Astrology is one of the oldest systems for interpreting the language of the cosmos. While it's often dismissed as mere superstition, many people find value in its insights. At its core, astrology is based on the idea that the positions and movements of celestial bodies can influence our lives on Earth. Each planet is associated with certain characteristics and areas of life. For example, Venus is linked to love and relationships, while Mars is associated with energy and action. Your birth chart, which shows the positions of the planets at the moment you were born, is like a cosmic snapshot of the energies present at your arrival on Earth. By understanding your birth chart, you can gain insights into your personality, strengths, challenges, and life path. But astrology isn't just about your birth chart. It also looks at current planetary movements and how they might be affecting us. For example, when Mercury appears to move backward in the sky, a phenomenon known as Mercury retrograde, many people report experiencing communication difficulties or technological glitches. Whether or not you believe in astrology, learning about it can deepen your understanding of cosmic language. It provides a framework for interpreting celestial events and connecting them to our earthly lives. Of course, we can't talk about cosmic communication without addressing the science behind it. While much of what we've discussed might seem mystical or metaphysical, there's a growing body of scientific research exploring the connections between cosmic events and life on Earth. For example, scientists have long known that the Moon influences Earth's tides. But recent studies have suggested that lunar cycles might also affect human sleep patterns and mood. Other research has looked at how solar activity can impact Earth's climate and even human health. Quantum physics, with its ideas about interconnectedness and non-locality, provides another scientific perspective on cosmic communication. Some researchers propose that quantum entanglement could explain how information might be transmitted across vast distances in space. As our understanding of the universe grows, so does our appreciation for the complex web of connections that link us to the cosmos. Science is gradually uncovering the mechanisms behind what ancient cultures intuited thousands of years ago, that we are intimately connected to the stars. So how can we apply this cosmic wisdom to our daily lives? Understanding the language of the cosmos isn't just an abstract exercise, it can have practical benefits in our day-to-day existence. One way to apply cosmic wisdom is in decision-making. By tuning into cosmic rhythms, you might find that certain times are more favorable for starting new projects, while others are better for reflection and planning. This doesn't mean you should base every decision on astrological forecasts, but being aware of cosmic influences can provide an additional perspective. Cosmic understanding can also improve our relationships. When we recognize that everyone is influenced by cosmic forces, it can increase our empathy and patience. If a friend is going through a challenging time, for example, understanding the astrological influences at play might help you provide more effective support. Moreover, speaking the language of the cosmos can enhance your self-awareness. As you learn to interpret cosmic signals, you may gain new insights into your own patterns, tendencies, and potential. This self-knowledge can be a powerful tool for personal growth and development. To truly become fluent in the language of the cosmos, you need to develop your cosmic intuition. This is the ability to sense and interpret cosmic energies without relying on external tools or systems. You can start developing your cosmic intuition through simple exercises. For example, before checking the weather forecast, try to sense what the weather will be like. Or, at the start of each day, tune into your intuition about what the day might bring. Over time, you may find that your predictions become more accurate. Another exercise is to spend time in nature, paying close attention to the rhythms and patterns you observe. Notice how plants respond to the seasons, how animals behave before a storm, or how the quality of light changes throughout the day. These observations can attune you to the subtle energies that connect all things. As you develop your cosmic intuition, you might start noticing signs that you're becoming more fluent in the language of the cosmos. You might experience more synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to convey a message. You might have vivid dreams that provide insights or guidance, or you might simply feel a deeper sense of connection to the world around you. Remember, developing cosmic intuition is a gradual process. It requires patience, practice, and an open mind. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Like learning any language, fluency in cosmic communication comes with time and dedication. As you become more proficient in speaking the language of the cosmos, you might feel inspired to share this knowledge with others. Teaching others about universal communication can be a rewarding way to deepen your own understanding and build a community of like-minded individuals. You could start by simply sharing your observations and experiences with friends and family. Talk about what you've noticed in the night sky or how cosmic rhythms seem to be affecting your life. You might be surprised at how many people are interested in these topics but haven't had the opportunity to explore them. If you're more ambitious, you could consider starting a stargazing group in your community. Organize regular meetings to observe the night sky together and discuss cosmic phenomena. This can be a great way to learn from others and create a supportive environment for cosmic exploration. Online platforms also offer opportunities to connect with others interested in cosmic communication. You could start a blog or YouTube channel, sharing your insights, or join online forums and social media groups dedicated to these topics. Building a community of cosmic speakers can enhance your own learning and provide support as you continue to explore the language of the cosmos. It can also contribute to a broader shift in consciousness as more people become aware of their connection to the universe. As we look to the future, it's exciting to consider how our understanding of cosmic communication might evolve. Advances in technology are opening up new frontiers in space exploration, potentially giving us access to more cosmic data than ever before. For example, powerful new telescopes are allowing us to see farther into space and in greater detail. This could lead to the discovery of new celestial phenomena and a deeper understanding of cosmic processes. Space missions are also providing new insights. As we send probes to distant planets and even beyond our solar system, we're gathering data that could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze vast amounts of astronomical data, potentially uncovering patterns and connections that human observers might miss. This could lead to new insights into the cosmic language. At the same time, there's a growing interest in integrating ancient wisdom with modern scientific understanding. This holistic approach could lead to new ways of interpreting and applying cosmic knowledge. As our understanding of the cosmos evolves, so too will our ability to communicate with it. The language we learn to speak today may be just the beginning of a much deeper and more complex cosmic dialogue in the future. In conclusion, learning to speak the language of the cosmos is a journey of discovery, both of the universe and of ourselves. It begins with curiosity and a willingness to look beyond the ordinary. By tuning into cosmic rhythms, decoding celestial symbols, and developing our intuition, we can start to understand the messages the universe is constantly sending us. Remember, this isn't about gaining supernatural powers or predicting the future. It's about developing a deeper connection with the world around us and recognizing our place in the vast cosmic tapestry. It's about finding meaning, guidance, and wonder in the dance of the stars and planets. As you continue on your cosmic journey, stay open to new experiences and insights. Practice patience and persistence. Don't be afraid to question and explore. And most importantly, trust your own experiences and intuitions. The cosmos has been speaking to us since the dawn of time. Now, it's your turn to listen and respond. Who knows what wonders you might discover as you learn to speak the language of the cosmos? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of cosmic communication. I hope this video has inspired you to look up at the night sky with new eyes and to start your own conversation with the cosmos. Remember, the universe is vast and mysterious, but it's also intimately connected to each of us. By learning its language, we open ourselves to a world of wonder, wisdom, and possibility.